Why does your scanner show the P2418 engine code? What does it mean? P2418 is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP switching valve control circuit open. This engine code indicates that there is a voltage problem with the EVAP system and its switching control mechanism. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EVAP switching valve, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, other EVAP components, ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is not specific to any particular make or model. It is commonly associated with Ford, Hyundai, Mini Cooper, Subaru, Toyota, Volkswagen, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.